going to push you into the chair. If you happen to weigh 200 pounds, you're experiencing 1 G right now. When you experience 4 Gs, you weigh 800 pounds. Formation wing over there complete. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. On this maneuver as they do it. Coming up and over the top weightless right there. Now you notice. There we go. This is called. Going to their brain. Talk about a headache inducing maneuver as they finally roll out of it. Oh, instant headache. You know, because of the way that we're built, we can take the positive G's better than we can take the negative G's.
My bad, sorry about the interruption.
You can see from the way the Airshow smoke is moving. Now they're going to come around. They're going to have an engineer call. They're going to bring the airplanes around. And I'll tell you what, when the airplanes right down the runway. Hope you got the camera and digital camera running. Now watch this, turn. We're going to bring the airplanes around here.
180.
That's rolling out where they are. Look at how close these two guys are together. Oh, baby. The triple formation flying is very simple. Matt Chapman is the lead. He's determined where they're going. Right each of these pilots are so dependent on the other. Going to flip the trail formation, rolling the airplanes around. Smoke is off. Hang on to your shorts, everybody. Oh, it is just ever so bumpy out there, that's for sure. Not a joyride.
I got on the blue room.
He says he flies like he's got power. All right, they're going to join back up. Oh, this is a dicey maneuver. There's the roll. And Mancuso finally rolls back upright again. Here we go. Looks like they're going to do another mirror pass. Nope, they're not going to do a mirror pass. This is a roll around. We've got one guy. Let's see who it is. All right, that's Chapman right there.
They're making a big stink about the way it is. And if they're really rotating around one another, it's going to be more dangerous than getting
Yeah, they said the secure doesn't work too well. No, the 210s.
Well, no, the 182 don't.
All right. Hey, you know what? They're going to bring their airplanes right back here. When we get to the prop stop, I want you to do something very, very special. When these gentlemen get at the aircraft stop, it's going to be over.